This is how to create a CPA landing page. It is free and it is easy, just few clicks and drop, and then you are done. First, you go to your CPA Grip account and you choose any of the offer, just like this one here. Then you go to your search engine and search for googlesite.com. Here you click the first link that will pop up. It will take you to Google site. Already in this place, you find out there is a lot of templates. Just hover your cursor at the top right hand corner and it will bring down so many templates, which you can choose any of your choice. But in this tutorial, I'm going to start from scratch. So I'll click on the plus sign to add a blank working sheet where we can design the landing page. First, you look at this page, you'll find out that at the right hand side corner, these are tools that you will be using to work on this page. Then when you look at the main page, you see your title and a big banner, but this banner I will not be needing them, so I'll have to delete it. When you delete it, then you look at the top left hand side corner. Here you will have to give a name to your project. Just any name of your choice you can just give. So in this particular work, I will have to name it $750 gift card. Anything that is in your mind, you can name this particular project. Anything that will make you to remember your project, you can give it the name. Then after this, you have to start designing your landing page. First, you have to add the title of the landing page. So for you to add the title of the landing page, there is two ways to get these tools. First is, I already told you, the right hand side corner are the tools that you'll be using. But whenever you double click on the blank page, it brings that same tool there. So it is the easiest way for you to do it is to double click on the blank page and get those tools and start using. So we will start first by adding the title of the landing page. So what you have to do is you double click on text, double click and click on the TT, which is the text. Then it will bring a box where you have to add the title. So what you will do is you go back to your CPA Grip account and already you will see the title there. You copy it and paste in this box, and then on the right hand corner of this box, then you change the text, because it's already is a normal text. You change it to title. Then you can bold it, you can design it the way you want. Then click on the line to put it at the center. Then after you have done this, then you double click again the sheet and click on add image. Here we want to add image of our landing page. So there is so many ways to add this image. First, you can design your image in Canva and upload. Two, you can go to search engine and search a similar image and upload. Three, the easiest way for me is to click on image, then click on URL, go back to your CPA Grip offer you opened, right click the image there, copy image address and paste here. Automatically the image in the CPR offer will appear in your working sheet. As that is done, then we move to the next stage, which is the call to action. This is the last the page that you add at the bottom of your image. That is where the visitor is going to click. So there is a simple way of doing this. You can, like I said earlier, you can go to Canva and design. You can also download the image. So the image I'm using here, I downloaded it from the internet. You just search for click here to win in the internet image, and it will bring so many images. You choose any of the button you want, you download it, upload the image. Once you upload the image, then we have to design our landing page to look beautiful. You can see everything is just so scattered. So first you go back to your title, you click on that title, In that box, we will need to make that particular layer a different color. So you choose any color of your choice. Just at the hand side corner, you will see 3 buttons. Click on the image there. The first button is the image. Click on it. You choose any image of your choice that will beautify your landing page. You can see, you click, then also you go back to the click to action layer, which is the down part. You do the same thing, change another image that will also make it look beautiful, and boom, you will see what we have done so far. You will see how our landing page will be looking so beautiful now. So the next thing to do is to go to the top right hand side corner. You will see a logo that look like a phone with a wire. Click on it. It is preview, so that you preview what your landing page is looking like on a tablet, on a desktop, and on a mobile. So when you preview and you look at it and it is okay for you, this particular project, we are doing it for mobile, because people who are going to be visiting, remember on the CPA Grip, the offer we are trying to promote are people that are coming for mobile. So you should concentrate on how this particular landing page is looking on mobile. So just like this one, this is what it will look like when you see that way, that everything is fit and everything shows in the mobile. Okay, then we are going to the last stage, which is the most important stage. This is where you add the link, your CPA Grip affiliate link. So what you have to do is you go to the bottom, the click to action button, which is, you can see the yellow button added at the foot, at the down part of this whole design. Click on it and you will see where you will have to add link. Just click on that and it will bring a box for you to add the link. Go back to your CPA Grip offer and copy the affiliate link. When you get your CPA Grip offer, you copy the affiliate link, then you go back to your landing page design and you paste it in that particular box and click apply. Once you have done this, we have successfully added our CPA Grip affiliate link to the click button. So the next thing to do is to publish. So when you click on publish, automatically this website will ask you to enter the name of your website. It will ask you to enter the name of your website. So you have to think of any name that is related to what you will do. This is the name that visitors are going to see. You know your URL, you know the address of this particular website. This is when you decide it. So you have to choose a name that will be similar to what you're promoting. So I will say PayPal gift card today. Just check any name that is available, because when you find out that maybe the name you're putting, someone has taken it. You try another one, anyone that comes available and it is very similar to what you're promoting, you click publish. Then you can go at the top right hand side corner to click on this button and you can get the link of your site. So this is the link that you are going to promote to people. So I think we have successfully shown how to create a CPA landing page. So thank you guys for watching, and if you derive any value from this video, please subscribe to us and also share the video so that it will reach others. Thank you.